India is undergoing a phenomenal boom in India's realty sector. This achievement has been significantly highlighted in Global Real Estate Transparency Index released by JLL and LaSalle that sets and analyzes the standard for market transparency in 89 countries and other regions. Vishal Baristo reports for DD India on this.
India, the world's fifth largest economy, has been the top global improver in the realty sector over the last 2 years. This is driven by advancements in transaction processes and market fundamentals. Its major city markets have joined the transparent group as their real estate sectors have become more institutionalized and quality of data has improved.
ये लार्जली हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था से भी लिंक्ड है क्योंकि भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था ने बाकी देशों के मुकाबले काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है। हमारे कॉस्ट और स्केल एडवांटेजेस हैं, एक डेमोग्राफिक डिविडेंड है और एक बहुत ही प्रोएक्टिव गवर्नमेंट सेटअप है।
According to the report, China suffers from oversupply, pushing vacancy rates to record highs and pressuring rents. Its investment activity has dropped significantly since 2022, with transaction volumes across the region falling by 7% year-on-year in the first half of the year. In contrast, India's commercial and residential markets are breaking records.
Flow of funds जो है institutional flow of funds है global और डोमेस्टिक दोनों तरफ से ही बहुत ही रोबस्ट एंड बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंट फ्लो हुआ है।
One of the major contributing factors behind the strong property sector is institutionalization of the investment market. According to CBRE, the institutional investment reached $6.2 billion in the first half of this year, which is its highest ever. The establishment of publicly traded real estate investment trusts has also helped boost liquidity, set new governance standards for the industry, and acted as a catalyst for sustainable commercial real estate sector. With Vishal Baristo, this is Priya Yadav for DD India.